Welcome to How to Solve.
Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to convert a video to audio on your iPhone. Let's go! Here we are on my iPhone, and let's say I want to go and convert some of these videos to just audio files. So the first thing we need to do is to close off the Photos app and just open up an app called Shortcuts. You may have gone and deleted this app when you first set up your phone, but usually by default, it's on the second page. If you've gone and deleted it, don't worry. All you need to do is open up the App Store and then go to the search page here at the very top, and then you can just go and search Shortcuts. And then you can scroll down and just click on download if you need to, and then go and open it up just like so. Then what you need to do next is make sure you go and search Shortcuts on the left-hand side. And then what you need to do is go to the top right and go and tap on the plus button just like so. This is like a create button, so go and tap on it like this. Now you can see we've gone and created a new shortcut. So the first thing that you want to do is go name this. To do that, you just have to tap on here where it says new shortcut at the top, like so, and then go and tap rename. I'm just gonna rename this like converter, so you can go and enable whatever you like. Just make sure you sort of know what it is and remember it, and then go and press done. Then what you need to do next is go to the bottom of the Shortcuts app and go and tap the information button in the middle just like so. And what you want to do is go and enable show and share sheet like so, and then press done. Next, what you need to do is where it says receive any, you're just gonna tap on it. On any input, just like so. Then just go and enable media. If you can see the clear button, you can just manually unswitch them. There aren't that many to do, and just go and press done. Then we need to go and press add action type right here. As you can see, we've got this option here for encode media. So we can just go and tap on it just like so. Now what we need to do is go and tap on search for apps in action again. Then you need to go and tap on this arrow, which is currently pointing right. And it's going to go and expand this. And what we need to do is tap on audio only. Go and enable that just like so. And that's that. Then what we need to do is go and turn on search for apps in action again at the bottom. And let's go and add another feature. And for this one, you just need to go and type in save and then go and tap on save file just like so. And here it is. And then we can just expand this like so. And I actually recommend something, ask where to save enabled, because then it's going to ask you where you want to go and save the file. And that's it. Then what we can do is go and press done like so. And that's going to save everything now. You can go and close off the Shortcuts app like this, and then go and open up your photos again. And you just have to look for the video that you want to go and convert. So in this case, I'm going to go and do this one right here. So I'll quickly go and pause it. Then what you need to do is go and tap on the share button on the bottom left right here, and then you will be on this page here. And what you need to do is just scroll to the bottom, and as you can see, I've got this option for converter, which is what I call the shortcut. Tap on it like so, it will say preparing, and get sort of a pop-up of like a file explorer. As you can see, it's now running. And now what you need to do is go and choose where you want to go and save the audio file. So tap on browse again in the bottom right, and then it will open up your folders. And you can go and choose where you want to save this file. In this case, I'm just going to press on my iPhone and then go and press open like so. I'm going to open up my files app and then tap on my iPhone, which is where I saved it. You can see we've got this audio file already called IMG270. Well, yeah, that's actually it. That's how we convert video to audio on iPhone.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.